Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to download the Apple Watch application on our iPhone and then also enable our watch by holding this side button on the right edge for a few seconds. Now we can begin. So as a first step, as you can see that the watch is saying bring the iPhone near Apple Watch, but I have did that and nothing is happening. That's okay, don't worry, just open the Apple Watch application and click Start Pairing. Then click Setup for myself. And now we would need to hold Apple Watch up to camera. So I will aim my camera on the Apple Watch. And as you can see, my Apple Watch has been paired. Now we would need to click Setup as New Watch. And here we would need to choose our wrist preference. So I'm right-handed, so I will choose the right one. Then click Continue. And we would need to also choose the digital crown orientation. I'll choose Top and click Continue. Now as you can see, we got this message that connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment, so we would need to wait a little while. So as a next step, we got here terms and conditions of usage. You can read it and after this click agree. As a next step, we got suggested if we would like to help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from our Apple Watch. You can choose share with Apple or don't share. This one is optional. As a next step, we are getting suggested to set Apple Watch passcode. You can create a passcode, you can add a long passcode, or you can just skip this step by clicking Don't Add Passcode. So I'll still choose Don't Use. And as a next step here, we can choose the bold text and size. So I would like to make the font a little bit bigger by moving this dot around this line. You can also see the difference on the screen. So let's do it like this. And the bold text will look like this, but I don't like it. I will disable it and then click Continue. As a next step, we can see here that Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for location services, Find My iPhone, Siri, and Analytics in Improvement. So we click OK. And here we would need to add some information about ourselves, which is date of birth, sex, height, and weight. So let's do it. As you can see, everything's right. And also here you can see this function, which is a wheelchair. It is doing that wheelchair setting is turned on. A paired Apple Watch can track pushes and add your move ring. So I'll click Continue. And here, as you can see, we can enable or disable road tracking. I'll disable it. And also here we can get notifications about our health. We can enable it or disable it. I will leave it like this and click Continue. As the next step, we click also Continue. One more time. Here we can choose if we would like to open depth when submerged or don't open automatically. This is a application which is showing in which depth you're located in the water. So I'll choose don't open automatically, then click Continue. And Apple Watch is syncing. So I'll click Get to Know Your Watch, and here you can see some interesting information about your watch. Click Done, and now we will need to just wait a little bit until the watch will be paired to your phone. So now my watch has successfully connected to my phone. It didn't take a long time, like about 5 minutes, and we can see Welcome to Apple Watch. We can click Done on our phone and then click Start on our watch. Here you'll see this suggestion which wants you to give a little tutorial how to use Apple Watches. You can choose Take It Through or click Skip. I'll choose Skip, and this is it. Now we have successfully set our Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.